If you're feeling exhausted but can't relax, want to sleep but sleep won't come, or your body is tired but the mind is still going, your nervous system may be in overdrive. Take a moment here in this meditation to allow your body to settle down and let it know it's safe to rest. Find a comfortable position, relax your head, and close your eyes. Your nervous system is doing what it was designed to do. It responded to the demands of your day and kept you going. But now the day is over, and we need to gently tell it that it can stand down. You are safe. You are home. You can rest. The fastest way to calm your nervous system is through the breath, with longer exhalations than inhalations. This activates the parasympathetic nervous system, your body's natural rest and restore mode. So let's begin by bringing our awareness to the breath and gently counting each in-breath and out-breath. Breathe in through your nose for a count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and release it through your mouth for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Breathe in 1, 2, 3, 4, and out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Breathe in 1, 2, 3, 4, and out 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Breathe in and out. This small shift begins to tell your nervous system it's safe to slow down, allowing your breath to return to its natural rhythm. Continue to observe it, allowing it to be easy and unhurried. Just taking note of the in-breath and the out-breath. Your nervous system doesn't just live in your mind, it lives in your body. And when you've been in overdrive, your body holds that charge, that tension, that subtle bracing that you might not even notice until you stop. Bring your awareness to your face. Focus on your forehead. Now the space between your eyebrows. Let this area completely smooth out. Feel any tension melt away. Focus on your eyes. Let them be still and heavy behind your closed lids. Not searching, not scanning, just resting in their sockets. Become aware of your jaw and let it be loose. Notice your lips, gently closed and relaxed. Let the muscles of your face go completely soft. Notice your throat and neck. Allow this area to soften, the neck to be long and relaxed. Your shoulders, notice them release. Your chest opening and your belly relaxed. Feel the surface beneath you. Really feel it. Notice how it supports you completely. You don't have to hold yourself up. You can allow the body to be heavy. You are held and you are safe. Now I want you to bring your awareness to your heartbeat. You don't need to physically feel it, just become aware that it's there, steady, rhythmic, and faithful. Your heart has beaten all day without you having to think about it. Your body has been working to keep you safe and functioning this whole time. Take a moment to appreciate that. Now place one hand on your chest and the other on your belly. Notice the gentle rise and fall of your breath beneath it. And quietly, either out loud or to yourself, repeat these words. I am safe. I am calm. I am allowed to rest. The day is done. I am safe. Feel those words landing in your body. Let them be true right now in this moment. Your breath is slower. Your body is heavier. Your mind is quieter. Your nervous system is beginning to settle. Allow yourself to feel rest and to feel safe. You don't need to do anything else tonight. You've done enough. You've given enough. You've been enough. Now it's time to receive the rest your body is asking for and your mind is desperately in need of. With every breath in, feel safety move through you. With every breath out, feel yourself sinking a little deeper into stillness. Deeper and deeper into rest. If you're moving into your evening, slowly deepen your breath, wiggle your toes and fingers, and gently open your eyes when you're ready. If you're ready for sleep, you're already on your way. Just let yourself go. There is nothing left to do. Rest now.